This is a super month with 5 Fridays in it, so lots to enjoy, and we are going to start to get you ready for Christmas. It's never too early in our book. We are joined this month by Sue Thornborogh, who is brand new to Justhands-on.tv and who brings us this exciting new modern patchwork workshop on her remarkable Improv Ripples quilt design. For the crochet enthusiast, Jane Czaja returns with her chunky granny treble cushion, worked both in white and a wonderful crocus purple colour. And our knitting expert, Daphne Morris, has useful advice on how to pick up your drop stitches, whether you are right or left-handed. Sylvia Critcher discusses her textile mood boards with Valerie Nesbitt and shares how she gets inspiration from things around her, even on holiday, which she is then able to work into her trapunto designs. And she talks about her book, Raised Quilt and Stitch. Lorna Bateman is back with her turkey embroidery stitch, which gives such a lovely fluffy texture. Whilst Valerie Nesbitt has a new workshop on leaders and enders, as well as a scrap quilt workshop featuring the 4-patch set in her favourite diamond design. And for our Technique Thursday, Valerie is using up all the little scraps that usually end up in the bin. She has called it pizza topping. And Baxter shows us her fabulous Dala horses inspired quilt, which is perfect for midsummer with a simple combination of fused applique, half square triangle windmill blocks and a stunning zigzag border, again from half square triangles. For our Christmas in July 2022 slot, we have selected Gail Penberthy and her Fun with Felt festive workshop, and marbling expert Craig Joubert with his unique take on the Christmas tree, which would be so great to share with the younger generation, as the effect is instant and stunning. Finally, July also features 4 new tip videos taken from the recent Makers Studio series with textile artist and thread painter Dion Swift and expert quilter Claire Campion, giving us useful ideas on how to make our crafting life simpler and better. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.